We have to be at school, we have to be at work, we have to go and do our daily things. But do we have to be stuck in traffic the entire time? It's really frustrating.
We've done well over 300 miles already. Those are miles that we would have done in the diesel car. They're miles that we've chosen to do on the bike, and for us it's an absolute game changer.
Because I haven't got a car at the moment, it's given me back my independence, because my other half has a car, he drives to work, so I don't have access to the car in the day. So everything where I'd be relying on him to take me, I can just go on the bike, and it's given me back so much confidence to just do more, be out more. And it's really great for the children. And my 12-year-old, she now phones me to say that her legs are really tired, can I come pick her up in town? And she's on the bike, and first of all she says I'm not going to go on it, and now she's like, Mum, please, I need a lift.
You had a 250-mile head start, and I'm catching up on 137 I've got. I've always been a fan of cycling into city centres if I can, because it's a lot less hassle, so it's nice to be able to do that with 2 kids on the back.
I think it's great that you don't need a car for everything, and that the car has its place, but we use it as little as possible. And being outside is great, and you get to see the sights and the city and spend some time outside.
Quick work long tail. We can see that this one just gets used for work, site visits. This one gets the school runs. So the big family car can be kept then and jets in this one. So I think there's an absolute possibility, stroke probability, that we can drop down to one car and an electric estarli long tail.